This is good, Aaron.
Yeah. I've been pretty lonely lately, girl. And I just want you to know that I'll rock your world. She was only 15 years old, and it was not hot, it was cold. Outside, I wanted to get inside. I wanted to get inside that girl. I said, baby, what's your name? What's your age? Actually, just tell me your name. I know it's strange, but I'm kinda into younger girls robbing that cradle like I don't know where I am or where I put it in any hole. And by the time you say, oh, I explode all over your face, all over your nose, all over your ankles, and all over your toes, yeah. But for real, what's your age? You're only 15, hell, I'm Nicolas Cage. I put it in twice, and in 3 seconds I gave that bitch Dick Rice. What does that mean? I gave her ball lice, and now she's itching twice. Oh.